So what exactly is SEO, search engine optimization? Well, if we reverse the order of that, you're optimizing the content on your website for search engines, primarily Google, but there are other search engines as well. Bing, DuckDuckGo, even YouTube is a search engine. Google and every other search engine out there, their primary goal is to serve the best content to the searcher's intent. This applies to not only the best content, but the most relevant content for their intent at the right time as well. So throughout this course, I'm really going to put a heavy emphasis on creating and optimizing content for people, not for algorithms, not for robots. This is not a course about spamming keywords. We're creating content that is optimized for the searcher's intent, because if you want to grow your business online, you have to create content that your customers are looking for, and you have to create content in a way that translates into them contacting you, whether that is to purchase a product or an item or a service online, whether you're a service-based business and they need to contact you to find out more about the service that you're offering. Any service that you're offering on that product page that you're creating content around has to be optimized to answer their questions, answer the searcher's intent, and provide them with next steps that they can take so that they can contact you or buy from you. When you focus on the searcher's intent in everything that you do online, you really don't have to worry about algorithm updates. That might be a controversial opinion there, but in my opinion and in my experience, the whole purpose of these Google algorithm updates is to create a better search engine algorithm for the searcher's intent. So their whole goal is to prevent black hat SEO strategies and basically people that are trying to scam and rig the algorithms. If you're creating consistent, high-quality content for your searcher, you understand exactly who you're trying to target, and you create content for that specific person, it doesn't matter what algorithm update is going to come out. Sometimes these algorithm updates will actually benefit you if you have that content strategy in place. In the next video lesson, I'm going to be discussing the benefits of long-term SEO growth, but you have to stay consistent.